Hi everybody. Today we are going to introduce you the smart doorbell. It is a wireless smart video doorbell. In the package itself, it comes with the device itself, the 3M stickers, and a wall plug. So today we are going to demonstrate to you how do we actually operate this. So basically, this smart video doorbell can be operated by USB cable and a battery operated. First of all, you have to actually unscrew it. Battery and a reset button. So right now we are going to do the pairing for this wireless doorbell. So first of all, we have to go to Smart Tuya add on to video surveillance smart doorbell. Reset button, press for 5 seconds.
Reset the factory setting.
Reset the factory setting. Next.
Wait for the configuration. Receiving configuration information.
Begin to connect. So it will turn to a blue button and well connected.
The connection is successful.
You can name it your camera, and this is what you can see. Lifetime. So inside the doorbell, wireless doorbell menu, it shows the chime pairing. Okay, long press volume, key for 5 seconds until you hear a ding sound. So this is the volume. The first button, press for 5 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Blinking, straight away press 1, 2, 3. One more time. So the chime is successfully paired. So just remember, hold 5 seconds. When you start blinking, press 3 times within the 8 seconds. Okay.
I just did a pairing, so you can see I try to mute the doorbell sound when I press. So this is the music from here. This is the music from here. Then on the chime right, basically when you press this, you can choose. So this, just now my ring is this. So you can change to this. I think currently you set to this, right? After you set to this already, so if this is the ringtone that you want, then when you reach this step, right, you can do long press for 5 seconds, then you press this one for 3 times, then you will set to this. So let me try. When you press for 5, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Now it's the pairing. Press 3 times. Then this is the new ringtone that you set. So next time when I press, every time when I press, then this is the ringtone. So basically how you change the ringtone, right, is you select the ringtone that you want first. For example, this one. This is the volume I want. Then you hold for 5 seconds. 1,000, 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. In the pairing, you press one time. Okay, then now this is a new ringtone already. So now when I press this is the new ringtone. There's a screw, and you unscrew this and you push up.